everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome to a video today. I've already applied my base coat in this video because I had a bit of a mucky old canvas to begin with. So I'm doing a split colour base, as you can obviously see, and I've got Pebeo Iridescent blue black and silver as my base colours. And I'm using my new hairdryer today that has a different shaped nozzle. So it's got a rounded head nozzle on there, and I'm hoping it'll give a different shaped blowout to my other blow dryer, which has a more of a open mouth on it. So that's my usual one, which and today I'm going to try this different shaped one, hence why I'm using a old canvas, because I don't know what's going to happen. So this is a bit of an experimental piece here. I've also never done a base that's got metallic paints on it before, so we'll try that out and see how that works. So we've got Windsor blue, quinacridone rose, phthalo green, cobalt blue, ultramarine. I've got a yellow, I'm not sure if I'm going to put that in, and I've got gold. So I'm definitely going to, I think today I will start with the phthalo green. Maybe I might do a puddle in the middle actually and blow it out. Let me do a puddle. So that's phthalo green, and then we'll put on Windsor blue, white, quinacridone rose. That's a new squeezy bottle. Not sure about those squeezy bottles. I think I'll leave the yellow out. I'm not going to put it in. And then we've got deep gold. Okay, so I will surround my puddle. Oops, I think I just dipped. I did. Oopsies. I'll blow the puddle over to begin with. Whoa, that's pretty. That's gorgeous. That's beautiful. Wowee. I really like this a lot. It's interesting, the Pebeo, the way the paint is split on there, while it hasn't done that up the top here. But those colours are just magnificent. They really are. What do you think, guys? here that's thin. Okay, I might just bring you down for a close-up because definitely don't want to overwork it. Just wondering about the composition of it and how it works down the bottom here. Trying to balance it out with over there. Okay, here we are for a zoom around. The beautiful silver, the amazing puddle in the center, the different reaction down the bottom here with the different paint elements that have made a blowout different down here to what it is up the top there. What do you think about that, having a different style of blowout? Tried to soften those edges a bit there. This bit's particularly awesome just there. I really like that. And the touches of white are beautiful as well. And then the cells, the blowout's almost in reverse down here. It's got this beautiful glow. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'm Kelly Driver, and I'll see you next time.